guys, so excited to share with you this beautiful boho bathroom rug. This is so great. It is comfortable, high absorbency, made out of great materials. The back is this beautiful option here. It's a TPR material, so very great there. It has excellent anti-slip, so I love that feature. I'm going to show you how much I love to use it and how great it is, but check out how beautiful it is. Super soft, super amazing. Go check it out. So this rug is really great. It has this super fine, long staple cotton. So the fiber is not only easy to clean, but it's also fine texture, giving you that really comfortable feel when you're getting out of the bath or maybe a shower. My kids love putting their feet on it. It makes it so great. Check out the beautiful side pattern. I am obsessed. Also with this backing is so nice. You don't have to worry about it slipping and sliding. It's gonna stay in place really nice. So I love that feature also. And it has really high absorbency. So check that out. It just goes right into the mat. Don't even have to worry about it puddling around. The mat wipes it up really nice. Everything about this bath mat is so cute. This 3-dimensional cut makes it very great. If you are looking to wash it, you are able to wash that too. So very cool. Love this mat. Go check it out.